Hi everyone, my name is Catherine Fabello, a proud owner of Cami Candles under Kiddie Momma Wellness Products Manufacturing of Cagayan de Oro City, Misamis Oriental, Region 10. So my business is all about handmade and all natural products. So Cami Candles offers eco-friendly, sustainable, and hand-poured aromatic candles. So they are made from beeswax, soy wax, coconut wax with wooden wicks. We started last 2018 aiming to make a difference and be of help to our community through our products. And I know that business is about helping people. So the community around you, diba? So it's like your neighborhood. So from that passion to help, it kick-started, and that's the birth of my business. The first challenge really is to introduce your products in the market. So for the people to get to know our brand and tell them how our products can help them through aromatherapy. But when pandemic came 2020, it was the biggest challenge we have ever faced. Everything was closing down, and it also came to a point for us that we can no longer sustain our business financially. And then we thought of really to close it down for good. DTI 10 offered me to join their enhanced business learning session last 2021. So from there, I was able to learn so many things for my business to bounce forward. And after the 3 months na intensive learning course, DTI continued to invite me still to join business-related seminars. And they also helped me with the exposure, very big time. So that's why I'm here. And that was my turning point. So thank you so much, DTI. You really helped me make my business grow with a very strong foundation now. The secret of my business is really, I thought of a problem in my community at that time, so that's pandemic, and in which I can solve through my products. Diba, during pandemic, mental health is very important. And I know that aromatherapy can help with that because it can help us relax, calm down our senses. My secret really is you find a problem in your community and then make that business as the solution. Do not be contented with what you have in a not greedy way, okay? So start a business, help your community, give your customers the best satisfaction, and build a legacy.